What are the skills and knowledge in-house counsellors need to face in a professional world that needs them to adapt, adopt and thrive?
Well, the theme of this year's summit, Adapt, Adopt and Thrive, couldn't be more timely. In-house counsel is really struggling today to actually deal with all the challenges their organizations are going through. Legal advisors need to be strategic partners, crisis navigators, and innovation champions in their business. To adapt, legal professionals must build resilience and agility, whether that's responding to geopolitical shifts, managing cross-border risks, or leading through cultural change. To adopt, they need to embrace legal tech, data-driven decision-making, and new ways of working that enhance efficiency and transparency. And to truly thrive, they must cultivate leadership, influence, and the ability to drive ethical, sustainable outcomes in their business. This summit is designed to equip attendees with exactly those capabilities. Through expert panels, real-world case studies, and peer-to-peer learning that's grounded in the realities of modern legal practice.
Thanks, John. I can't wait.